mina nje mawukuthi khona izinto ozigoqozayo la ekseni uma kunezinto ozigoqozayo la mina nje please ungangiphapheli uma uvuka nje ekseni uthi uye emsebenzini kube khona izinto ozigoqozayo la ngiyacela bandla ungangiqali nje mina nalezi zinto enidonsayo la ngingazi ukuthi nisuke nidonsani la abanye ke bayazipressa ke bayazilift angazi ukuthi nisuke nenzani nifihlisha nenzani lana angazi mina Nkosi yami angazi uyabona nje nina nibuya nidonsa khona abanye abapressayo la kuthiwa pressa la ukuthi ukuze izoma imoto ingahamba angazi kanjani angazi ngezwe kodwa kushiwo mayingenzi la into yakho mayingenzi uthi uyayibeka ithi qwinqu ola mina ungangisukeli nje uvela nophume nje kumina angiphathi ke nje yabo la kuhlala khona lo uyashawa umoya bo.
Yeah, we need more videos like this, man. Manual versus automatic girls. Yeah, there are those men who doesn't even pull handbrakes early in the morning. There are those who doesn't even shift gears early in the morning. You know, there are those who, you know, they don't use both feet when they're driving. You know, the left hand is just resting there. They're only using the right hand foot to operate the two pedals. Yeah, there are those who just have something round where they just switch it to drive or just switch it to R, you know, reverse. And yeah, the driving machines, automatics, man. When they have to park their vehicles, they just shift the gear maybe and put it to parking and pull the handbrake just with the finger. Yeah, man. And others, once it's just on parking automatically, the handbrake is switched on. I was just driving this Luma, a Range Rover. Oh my God, got in there. I'm like, Jesus Christ, people are driving. You know, even when I'm reversing, there is the whole screen that I can see the wall behind me. I'm like, God, yeah. But there is no much difference between it and, you know, the Audi that I'm driving because it's automatic. I was like, but there is another level. When you look at, they're all automatic, but Luma is another level. I'm like, oh my God. Oh my God. So when she's making this type of video, and I'm like, we need more videos like this, you know, obviously to inspire other ladies, you know, to inspire other women, so that they can know that other women are driving. Even if it's manual, even if it's automatic, it's perfectly fine. And I appreciate you guys showing me love and support my battery slow. Thank you, my beautiful sister, you know, for making us laugh, for making us smile, simply because of we understand exactly what you're saying. You know what I'm saying? There are girls who has to go through that every morning, while others, they don't. It's automatic. They just, yeah, man. They don't even do the clutch controls, man, when they're in the hill. As long as it's on D, it just move forward whenever she press the accelerator. And I appreciate you guys showing